भाषिणि मञ्जुरते जय जय हे जय काञ्चीपुरेश्वरि कामकलेश्वरि पालय माम् शिवगुरुनन्दन शङ्कर पूजित दिव्यपदाम्बुजयुग्मयुते जय शशिशेखर देवि पालय माम् शिवगुरुनन्दन.
This is the speech of Shankaracharya of Kanchi Kamakoti Pita, the most revered Swami Vijayendra Saraswati Maharaj, during a dignified program organized in the presence of His Excellency Governor N. Ravi in Chandrasekharendra Mahavidyalaya in Kanchipuram on the occasion of Adi Shankaracharya's birth anniversary, 2500 years. Kanchi Kamakoti, Shankaracharya Swami Vijayendra begins his speech with the famous sloka.
नारायणं पद्मभुवं वसिष्ठं शक्तिञ्च तत्पुत्र पराशरञ्च व्यासं शुकं गौडपदं महान्तं गोविन्द योगीन्द्रम् अथास्य शिष्यं श्री शंकराचार्यम् अथास्य पद्मपादञ्च हस्तामलकञ्च शिष्यं तं तोटकं वार्गकारमन्यान् अस्मद्गुरून् सन्ततम् आनतोऽस्मि. श्रुतिस्मृति पुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शंकरं लोकशंकरम्. अपार करुणा सिंधुं ज्ञानदं शान्तरूपिणं श्री चंद्रशेखर गुरुं प्रणमामि मुदान्वहम्. देवे देहे च देशे च भक्त्यारोग्य सुखप्रदं बुध पामर सेव्यन्तं श्री जयेन्द्रं नमाम्यहम्. सदाशिव समारंभां शंकराचार्य मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्य पर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरु.
Vyasam Sugam. Swami Vijayendra Saraswati Maharaj, the 78th Pitadipati of Kanchi Pita, says that just a few days ago, the birth anniversary of Jagat Guru Adi Shankaracharya, the founder of Kanchi Kamakoti Pita, was celebrated in Kanchipuram, where many saints and Mahatmas participated in this program. And in this ceremony, awards were given to the scholars who completed 100 kavyas. About 12 lakh prizes and certificates were given by Gava Darakshana Nidhi Trust for completing Kadarchi chanting. Special arrangements were made at Abhikasha Bhadatu, where Adi Shankara's Samadhi is located, and Shankaracharya's birth anniversary is celebrated with great pomp and show as a festival. Special Remembrance Day of Adi Shankara's birth anniversary is celebrated in many villages of Kamakshi Amman Ghaga for many years. Shankaracharya's birth anniversary has been celebrated as a festival continuously for more than 100 years in this village. It is a matter of special joy that this year Jagat Guru Shankaracharya's birth anniversary was celebrated in more than 70 places in Tamil Nadu, Kata Sadikala, Jatalungana in Andhra Pradesh, and globally for last 10 years through Kanchi Kamakoti Pita in Srinagar. This function was celebrated by Jagan Tatapattu Pattu 10 years ago. Jagat Guru Shankaracharya, Swami Vijayendra Saraswati Pitaji of Pati of Kanchi Kamakoti Pita, said the Abhishekam and the music experts also made the birth anniversary of the incarnation of Adi Shankara memorable through their vocal music and art. Every year, Adi Shankara's birth anniversary is celebrated as a festival in many parts of the country, in which many scholars participate. Adi Shankara's birth anniversary was organized with enthusiasm in about 100 places, including Chandigarh, Ludhiana, and in which the celebration held in 3 villages here was unforgettable. Swami Vijayendra Saraswati, reciting the sloka, says, Kavach Pranayam is especially important in Ludhiana. It is a unique place an example, not only in the culture of Punjab, but also in the culture of our country. Jagadguru Shankaracharya, Vijayendra Saraswati of Kanchi Kamakoti Pita, said the scholars who have studied Gavatam in Tamil Nadu, which can be interpreted as a Himalayan country, mentioning the importance of the birth date of God's incarnation, Adi Shankara being on the day of Ekadashi Shukla Paksha, they say that this day is an immortal day. Therefore, we also considered that Adi Shankara Siddhi Amar Divas, and on this occasion, we have gathered in the premises of Kanchi Shankara Math for this program. It is a matter of happiness for all of us that the 60-feet statue of Adi Shankara carved from Okara stone is here, while the Kanchi Kamakoti Shankaracharya Math is specially decorated on the day of Shankar Jayanti. It is offered Abhishek in Karnataka. Through such programs, we are propagating the high level of vision of philosophy and the spiritual vision of Adi Shankara, which is more than 2,500 years old. Swami Vijayendra Saraswati, again quoting a shloka, said the worship program of Adi Shankara, Jiva Brahma Uttam and Mata Parvati has been held in Andhra Pradesh this year as well. Shankara Jayanti Mahotsav was celebrated in a mixed manner this year in places including Katastikal and Jata Lungana in Andhra Pradesh, where the rise was happening in the last 10 years. Jagadguru Shankaracharya, Vijayendra Saraswati of Kanchi Kamakoti Pitam, said the world peace of prayer has been sought for the last 10 to 12 years. All the three Shankara Jayanti celebrations were held in Kamakoti Pitam Math. Vidya, Mavityam, Gavatam, Free Saraswati, Siva Mahalakshmam is related to Saraswati, Siva Mahalakshmam. In that civilization, and we are all followers of our culture. But in Kanapala, which can be interpreted as Himalayan country, there is still a village which is called Urikala Katavakari. There are 3 villages, Kanapala, Natikala, Yagam, that is Kakavil, and here special performances were done to cherish the memory of Shankaracharya. In fact, the festival of Shankara Jayanti was celebrated well everywhere in India. Swami Vijayendra said, it is our good fortune that the philosophy of Lord Shankara, Adi Shankara, has been with us for 2,500 years. Saying that Shankaracharya's philosophy will remain relevant forever, Swami Vijayendra Saraswati gave the example of the stories of Vedas, Upanishads, and said, whoever is true to the teachings and a knowledge of his creation, it is his religion. He said Adi Shankara established this country as a spiritual power through his extraordinary power. And the 68th Guru of Kanchi Kamakoti Pita, Chandrasekhar Saraswati, Adi Shankaracharya Swami Chandrasekhar followed his path. According to him, a special worship develops through religious worship, and through this self-confidence develops, which is very important for us. Swami Vijayendra Saraswati said the contribution of Adi Shankara in our Sanatana culture is not only permanent but immortal, because he gave us a religion. He gave us religions at the age of just 32, when a special event related to this was held a few decades ago. The then President Shankar Dayal Sharma and R. Venkataraman were also present. After this, President Kalam also came. Vijayendra Saraswati said that my statement is an example that people are still very eager to know about the religious vision of Adi Shankaracharya. In this context, it is not necessary to say that the environment in which we grew up should be associated with the guidance of Adi Shankara even after 2,500 years. Vijayendra Saraswati said that Adi Shankaracharya was a form of Lord Shankara, and even today he is worshipped at many places in the country. People of India are studying religious texts related to him to understand his philosophy. He said that his statue is not only a symbol of my devotion towards him, but it also tells what Adi Shankara in detail. Kanchi Pitadipati praised Tamil Nadu Governor Ravi for participating as a special guest in this ceremony and said that his presence is like a special gift for everyone.
Jagat Guru Puja Sri Shankar Vijayendra Saraswati ji is an added great bonus for me. This place, Kanchi, When I think of, I go back to my young student days, when my parents, my teacher used to mention about the 7 holy tirtha, when they used to sing, Ayodhya, Mathura, Maya, Kasi, Kanchi, Avantika, Puri, Dwaravati, Chaiva, Saptaita, Mokshadaika. Since then, I've been hearing about Kanchi. When I got the opportunity, the divine grace, came to Tamil Nadu and started familiarizing myself more and more about this place, its heritage, and then I found that this place, this Mokshadaini, Kanchi, its glory sung by our great Nayanars, Sambandar, Apar, Sundarar. In Devaram, they have sung glory of this place. And at a time when we are celebrating the 2500th year, it's a landmark in the history, in the flow of time. 2500th year. For humans, it's enormous figure. But it is a landmark. It's the beginning of a new era, Yuga Parivartan. And when through Yuga Parivartan, Bharat is going through that, our institutions, our dharmic institutions have a great responsibility to be part of it. And to be part of it in a manner that we, realizing that the dangers, the existential threat that the world is facing, the clock is ticking. We know how long. If Mother Earth is not cooled, it's not going to survive. So with sense of urgency, we have to take this message, to take this light to the society. And I'm sure, with a resolve and resolute commitment, we will take this message, the core messages of Bhagavan Adi Sankara, to our society, equip our youth to take the light across the world for the benefit of the world. This institution is special. This was built by Bhagavan Adi Sankara himself. It is here who consecrated Ma Kamakshi, the supreme Shakti that illuminates everything. This institution has a great responsibility towards building Bharat Rashtra. And I have no doubt we are conscious of it and we will do it. Friends, I pray, my wish is not that significant when I am at the feet of Ma Kamakshi and the feet of Jagat Guru. My prayers are with all of you. These institutions to grow and fulfill the destiny. Jai Bharat.
Swamiji said the worship of Adi Shankara, who can spread Sanatan culture of Adi Shankaracharya and unite and believe in him and work hard for the world. He says that when I wake up Adi Shankara, I'm 80 years old, who also struggled for a poor man. During his tour in the country, he saw poverty, and in this poor country, the basis of our inner religious vision blossomed, and that there should be no homeless here. There should be no poverty. Our philosophy should be live well and help others live well. Like Adi Shankara, Udbhav Jayanti, all the important places associated with him, including Kanchipuram, are to be made popular for tourism in this year of his birth. This country and this world are like a lotus, and this lotus is special.
Come, Anbu, Elimai, Nalinam,